The flame bowerbird is one of the most brilliantly colored bowerbirds. The male is medium-sized bird up to 25 centimeters long with flame orange and golden yellow plumage, elongated neck plumes, and yellow-tipped black tail. It builds an avenue-type bower with two side walls of sticks. The female is an olive-brown bird with yellow or golden around the stomach. The flame bowerbird is distributed in and endemic to the rainforests of New Guinea. The male flame bowerbird also has a courtship display along with its bower, twisting its tail and his wings to the side and then shaking his head quickly. The courtship behavior of the flame bowerbird was filmed by Japanese photographer Tadashi Shimada. However, Shimada filmed another peculiar behaviors such as male courting a juvenile male and several juvenile males as well as an adult male agreeing to share one bower, only to be destroyed by another juvenile male. The flame bowerbird is evaluated as least concern of the threatened species.